How to navigate the YuJa Verity Portal. In this video, we will demonstrate how to 1. Navigate the YuJa Verity Portal, 2. Manage proctored assessments, and 3. Locate Verity tools. Let's start from the course page. Open the YuJa Verity activity on the course page. Now we're on the Proctored Assessments page in the YuJa Verity Portal. Move your cursor to the bar located on the left of the portal page. This is the portal sidebar that contains all the pages available in YuJa Verity. First is the Proctored Assessments page. This lists all of the assessments, including information such as the date created, date updated, the proctoring platform, and method used. There is also a column for actions. Clicking on the vertical dots will open a list of actions that you can take. Start assessment, edit settings, delete assessment, view Verity results, and check compatibility. Let's move on to another page. Select the Create Assessment button. This allows you to add third-party assessments, or create assessments from the YuJa Verity Creation tool. Unfortunately, these options are not advised as all graded assessments will be created from the eLearning Academy. Let's move to the third page. Click Live Activity, then, Live Proctoring Schedule. This opens a page called Assessment Hub. All information regarding live proctored assessments is present on this page. The first filter page, Active, displays quizzes that have started to allow proctors to join. Upcoming displays, live proctored quizzes that have been scheduled for a future date. Pending displays quizzes that require a proctoring group to accept the invitation to join, and completed displays assessments that have been proctored and closed. Moving on to our fourth page, Reports. Under the Reports section, there are two pages that you have access to: Course Report and Assessment Report. The Course Report gives a summary of the course's Verity usage, an overview of assessment attempts, platform usage, and analytics on overall proctored attempts. The Assessment Report gives an overview of the proctored attempts and test taker analytics. Click on Select Assessment. When the pop-up window opens, you can choose the assessment you want to view the report for. You can choose another assessment by clicking the Switch Assessment button at the top right of the window. Let's move on to the Setup page. The Setup section has two pages, one for the browser extension and one for the browser lockdown app. The browser extension page will guide you in activating YuJa Verity by installing the YuJa Verity browser extension. The browser lockdown app will direct you to a link to download the lockdown app for supported systems. Return to the sidebar and click Settings. In the Settings section, there are two pages you can access: Course Settings and User Settings. The Course Settings page allows you to make changes in the course context, through email settings for notifications and assigning custom flags to flagged events. The User Settings page contains your Verity security pin to be used when contacting YuJa for support, and the option to set your preferred language. Now you can navigate the YuJa Verity Portal, manage proctored assessments, and locate Verity tools.